Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can see your story on TikTok. So if you want to see your story or anybody of your friend who has uploaded story, then you can follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel. So there's two methods to see the story, and I will show you both of the methods. First thing first, if you want to see your story, you want to click on profile at the bottom right. And if you want to see your friend's story, you want to go on your friend's profile. Alright, so the steps are same. You just have to go to your profile if you want to see your story, and if you want to see your friend's story, you need to go to your friend's profile. And once you go to the profile, you can see this option called story at the bottom, and it says story 1. It means the number of story that has been uploaded. So I have only uploaded one story, that's why it's showing me 1. So if you have uploaded multiple story, it's going to show you story and the number of story you have uploaded. It may be story 2, 3, 4, 5 or something like that. So you can click on it and you should be able to see your story. And for your friend as well, it's the same. Once you go to their profile, if they have uploaded a story, it's going to show you story, and once you click on it, you should be able to view their story. And the second method to see story is at the top you can click on their profile picture. So my profile picture says O, so I will click on it and I should be able to see my story just like this. And for your friend's profile as well, just go to their profile and click on their profile picture and you should be able to see their story. These are the two methods you guys can use in order to see story on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys in my future video with more TikTok related videos like this.